Samsung is making fans sad. What's up guys, we are back with some sad Samsung leaks. Over the years we have seen Samsung deleting some of fans' favorite features like SD card slot, a cheaper Galaxy Note phone, getting the fast charger out of the box with the mid-range devices. Samsung has definitely made some real hard decisions, but what they're about to do right now has really made fans furious, and there's absolutely no reason at all that Samsung should be doing this. They're about to mess up their highly anticipated Galaxy Watch 5 series. According to Ice Universe, the rumors are indeed true that Samsung is getting rid of the iconic rotating bezel design. Loyal Samsung fans have loved the rotating bezel on the Galaxy Watches so much, and now we're not going to say this. In fact, the Galaxy Watch 5 has a big bezel, something that Samsung should have improved, especially in 2022. Considering how Apple is going nuts with their Watch Series 8 by having that boxy trimmed edge premium design, even slimmer bezels, Samsung is quite literally going to the opposite direction. The gap between Galaxy Watch 5 series and the Apple Watch Series 8 will grow even more. The Watch 5 Pro might even end up being the ugliest watch on the market, and that is just sad. I can understand Samsung's past decisions, but this one, there's just no reason to remove this fan favorite rotating bezel feature, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now, speaking of removing and killing things, as we have reported that Samsung could actually kill the fan edition brand entirely, and today's news seems to be on track with that narrative. Sam Mobile is now reporting exclusively that the Galaxy S22 fan edition may end up being cancelled. They have heard from multiple sources now that Samsung will not be releasing a Galaxy S22 FE in 2022. Not just that, it's very likely that there won't be any FE model released in the future ever, meaning the S21 FE was probably the last fan edition smartphone. Sam Mobile has done their own research and confirmed that the SM900 model, which would have been linked to the S22 FE, that model number doesn't exist. Now, there could be one last fan edition phone, and it could be the Galaxy S21 FE. Samsung might have a lot more unsold S21 FE models on their hands, and they could actually relaunch this phone with a cheaper Snapdragon 720G chip. Is said to have similar specs as the Galaxy S21 FE, but with a cheaper, less powerful chipset, and of course no 5G connectivity, only LTE. This phone won't probably launch worldwide, so could be exclusive to Europe, or they might just bring it exclusively to South Korea. So that's all the news for today. Samsung is definitely making fans sad by taking these weird decisions. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe for daily updates, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.